You think that meditation is just about sitting still? Think again. Today, we're taking our practice on the move with walking meditation. This is for all of you who feel restless just thinking about sitting on a cushion. Walking meditation is an amazing way to connect with your body and the world around you, turning a simple walk into a rich, mindful experience. It's about being present with every single step. Okay, find a space where you can walk back and forth, maybe 10 or 15 steps. It can be indoors or outdoors. Standing at one end of your walking path, feel your feet on the ground. Take a moment to just be here. Now begin to walk at a slow pace. It's okay if it feels a bit unnatural at first. Bring your full attention to the act of walking. Notice the sensation of lifting one foot, moving it through the air, and placing it back down. Feel the contact of your foot with the ground. You could break down the movement into parts: lifting, moving, placing. Just notice the pressure of the floor or the ground against your foot. And then again. Your mind will wander, and that's okay. When it does, gently bring it back to the sensations of walking. When you reach the end of your path, pause, take a break, then turn around and begin walking back with the same mindful attention. You can play with the pace. Try walking a little faster, but keep your attention on the sensations in your feet and legs. Then try slowing down. Notice how the experience changes. Of course, this isn't about getting anywhere. The journey is the destination. Every step is a new moment to be present. Try to do 5 laps. As you finish your last length, stand still for a moment. Notice how you feel. Grounded, more in your body. You can bring this mindful awareness to any walking you do, to your car, to the office, through the grocery store. It transforms a mundane activity into an opportunity for meditation. It's a powerful way to stay present in a world that's always pulling you away. Thank you for walking with me. Until next time, take each step with awareness.